Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT image not creating problem or ChatGPT failed to create any image that you are suggesting. So if you are also into the same situation, don't worry, just follow the methods discussed in this video. So as you can see in this image that it's still creating image from a long time and it's unable to create an image. So to get rid of this, you just have to check if the server is down for ChatGPT. So you have to just go to your browser and search for ChatGPT down detector, and after that open this website, and here you will see that there is a server downtime going on. So you have to wait for some time, as you can see. So the issue may be because of server downtime. So as you can see in the picture, the server uh, is in downtime, so you have to wait for some time, and after that check if ChatGPT is working or not. Meanwhile, you can do some other methods so that you can get rid of the issue. So follow them. You should check if ChatGPT needs any kind of update. For that, you have to go to the Google Play Store. After that, in the search option, search for ChatGPT. And here you have to check if any update is available for your ChatGPT. So there is an update. You simply have to click on it, and after that wait for some time. Once the ChatGPT is updated to the latest version, after that check if the creating image generation is working properly or not. If not, you should force stop ChatGPT once. So for that, click and hold the icon over here. Now click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. After doing this, check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, you should clear the cache of ChatGPT. For that, click on storage option. So click and hold the icon over here. Now click on app info. After that, click on storage option. Click on clear cache, and after that, go back, launch the app and check if it's working. If the issue still continues, then you have to wait for some time, because basically the issue is occurring because of the server downtime. You have to wait for some time, and after that again try it, and hopefully the issue will be resolved soon. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.